Hey, 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 my people, oh, make una come here. Make una come here, oh. Our country senator, what they call Dino Melaye. Dino Melaye, oh. Oh my God. My people, now welcome to my channel. This is Maureen Gist TV. If you dey watch me for the first time, I beg make you hit the subscribe button. Make you click the bell notification for all my returning subscribers. I say una too much, my people. This my Naija, eh? Wahala no dey finish for this country. I say wahala. Every day now with nine different one dey come out. All right, so una know say this hush puppy matter when e dey go on, when hush puppy don dey sing, wey be say dem come catch Abba carry say he and hush puppy dem do some kind deal together. So my people, oh, this our country senator na im picture be this guy una dey see for here. I go play the video wetin he come out for una. Im don come out for una well well. So Twitter o, Instagram o, Facebook o, na so dem carry all sort of rumour say our country senator Dino Melaye say he laundering $31 million. Hey, Dino Melaye don carry the body dash una say make una take $30, make una take $30 million, make una take that one. Im dash una. American government FBI im dash una that one. Make una just give am only 100. Make una just give am only $1 million. It will be okay. The guy don go dey drink his zobo. Make una watch this clip before we go come back again. Come really touch light this matter, because this country, na every day now we dey see different thing. This country is a joke. Oh my God, my people.
I just read now for Twitter and Instagram. Say they talk say Hush Puppy help Dino Melaye launder $31 million. I say $31 million. Hey, I beg. Out of that $31 million, I dash $30 million out. Then I carry $30 million. Just bring $1 million alone. Don't do me. Out of that $31 million. That phantom audio $31 million wey Hush Puppy launder for me. Make una carry 30 million, just give me the $1 million. That's all I need. I beg, make una help me. Make I just bring the $1 million. I beg, I dey wait for am. Because they say American FBI dey look for me. Oh, na 2 months I do for America. Maybe they forget to arrest me for airport. Oh, lush. I beg, come up for road, make I go drink zobo, jare.
All right, so my people, this na our country senator wey they call Dino Melaye. A very funny guy. In fact, now one of the celebrity senator. Now they call celebrity senator, in the sense that the guy just turned celebrity overnight because of saying they do some kind funny things for this thing. So the cocoa of the matter be saying the name am among the people wey be say Hush Puppy wey be say Hush Puppy help take the loan, the carry money they come off for the country. So according to rumor wey be say dem carry, they say Hush Puppy help am carry about laundry, money laundry, about $31 million. Una know wetin be $31 million, my people. So the thing no funny at all. So Dino Melaye don debunk am from this thing, whole thing. When he be saying talk, he show say he no get hand for that kind of thing. Say because dem even carry rumor say American FBI say dem dey find am, say they want to arrest am, and he say he just dey come back from Yankee. Say nothing like that. All right, so my people, we could move to another gist today. One Ghanaian this thing, one Ghanaian man don kpeme im wife. Oh, this picture one I dey see, so this one he don kpeme im wife. Oh, my people. Now wow, this Nigerian, nothing wey we no go see. They say not be even Nigeria this thing happen, na Ghana, a Ghanaian man. They say the woman tell im husband say he no want to marry again. He say he no want to marry again. Say he don tire for this marriage. My people, now know say this marriage of 18, it takes a lot of the grace of God to remain in marriage. And the truth be that. I know what I'm saying. So somebody like me, I don't lost my husband just this year. Yeah, I married for good 18 years before my husband died. So at times marriage can be very, very challenging. So it's just that as human being, you need to spice am up with yourself. You have to spice the marriage. So this woman say the marriage don tire am, he no fit again, he no wan marry again. The man come dey beg am say no. Dem come dey ask the woman say wetin im husband do. He say dis im husband get bad character. Say the character of the man too dirty. All sort of GBT, all sort of yamayama thing na im dey do. He say he no want to continue with the marriage. Na im the woman pack her load o, pack her things kpakaram, go im papa house, go im mama and im papa house go stay. So the man don look o. I no know whether some men, person say e no wan marry you. I no know whether marriage na by force. Woman say he no wan marry again. You no go continue with your life. Women full everywhere. For where this man no gree o. Na im dey say around 12 o'clock, na im just go carry knife target when the girl, the woman, this im wife, im mama and im papa no dey house. He get them very well. Na im enter there, come stab the woman 5 good times for body. Stab her. Na so the woman come kpeme. Na so this woman come kpeme. As the woman kpeme, na im cover am, na im waka. So before you know, police come carry out investigation. They come find out see say na im kpeme the wife. My people, una dey see this kind thing in fact I no just know, I no know whether we go just dey pray God say God beg help us o. Our children, make dem no go jam this kind people. If person say e no wan marry again, can't you just move on with your life? Must you, okay, now as you don kpeme the person, now as you don kpeme this your wife now, when you dey beg am say make una marry, as you don, I don't understand this kind spirit of jealousy wey be say dey worry some kind people. As you don kpeme this woman now, na inside grave when she dey, na im she go come take marry you. My people, I no understand this kind of thing at all. I no understand. I no understand. So na the thing when e dey ground be that, my people. Now here I wan stop, but na these two gist na say make I carry come because the thing no just funny about, the thing just dey make me dey laugh. This thing, this Dino Melaye something. So in case you never subscribe to my channel, this is Maureen Gist TV. Here we dey bring una latest gist, things wey be say dey trend. We dey come here, they come touch light am. Now this one na just say make I carry come touch light. How una see am, my people? If you never hit the subscribe button, make you hit the subscribe button for more news. Una do, my people.